Hey guys, what is up? It's Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending. So today we're going to go collect from my Claremont locations, which is a town south of me, about 20 minutes drive. We have Claremont Subaru, which is now Dave O'Brien Subaru, and we have VIP down there. So we're going to go collect on both of those machines. It's a grand total of 4 machines at 2 locations, and 2 of the machines and one of the locations is literally brand new, so I just don't see the collection being very large, especially since I've already pulled a couple of dollars from the machine for gas for a couple of issues that popped up here and there. Alright guys, let's roll right into this. Alright guys, we're here at Claremont Subaru, and we're going to go check this one out, see what we got going on. We're pretty much out of product already. It's kind of windy. So I need to come back with more product on another day, but the collection's all set. Their waiting room was super busy, which is awesome for me. That means that everyone's in there buying snacks. I've got like 4 empty columns on there that I need to fill. So we're going to do that another day, but we're going to move right on over to VIP right here in Claremont. Hey guys, so we're at VIP Claremont. This is actually my very first collection on this place. It's not going to be good, I can tell you that ahead of time. The simple reason is because I've taken money out of this machine 3 times for fuel. I had to visit this location a lot getting it set up because there was a lot of mistakes made by people other than myself in the whole process. Granted, they are my mistakes. I am responsible for for the mistakes that were made. So I want to emphasize on that a little bit. It's always, if someone else makes a mistake at your business, it's your mistake because you trusted them to do the job. So always hold yourself accountable for things, even if it's not entirely your fault. Let's go check this location out, see what we got.
Finally, I'm moving without you. Finally, I'm watching you fall down. Take control, leave it on the edge. Rise above you. Take control, leave it on the edge. Rise above, I've had enough of you.
Okay guys, so this is going to be the new location, Claremont VIP and Claremont Subaru, which is actually, Claremont Subaru was a lot. That was really big. Claremont VIP, I've taken gas money from a couple times because we had a ridiculous amount of problems setting up, but next month it should be a lot better. And I really need to order a new bill acceptor for that one because the bill acceptor's old and you really got to like push that bill, the dollar bills into it for it to work. So let's go ahead and count those up and we'll get right to it.
Take control, leave it on the edge. Rise above you. Take control, leave it on the edge. Rise above, I've had enough of you. Take control, leave it on the edge. Rise above, I've had enough. Take control, leave it on the edge. Rise above, I've had enough of you.
So the last couple of videos I've really broken everything down for you. I'm not going to go quite as far into detail this time. Claremont Subaru, we made about $325 was the gross on that. If you guys have watched the past videos, which I'll put in the description, you'll know how to break it down and what my actual take home was on that. I spent about $20 in gas, and VIP, I didn't really actually make any money at VIP. I think it was something like $30. So we're not even going to get too far into that one. But still, that should be a big account just like Claremont is as soon as it goes through the growing pains that it has to experience first. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending out. Remember to love life and live your dreams. Peace. Be Farnsworthy.